We're going to open the Why So Serious Hallmark series. I want the Juggler's Crown
Christmas tree
I
and
like Silver
Christmas
Mist.
party
or the Rainbow Jelly Bean, either one.
Mistletoe hung where you can see every
Wow, that's very
star
cute. Okay, you.
rocking around.
Oh shit!
Oh my god!
Wow, these are so pretty.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so pretty.